Hi everyone, once again welcome to the another episode of top interview questions problem. This problem is symmetric tree. So this problem is very important. As you can see the like and dislike ratio of this problem, and let me show you how frequently it get asked in companies interviews. So here it's like not that frequent in top end company interview, but in second or third tier company, but it got also asked in like Amazon, Google, Uber, Microsoft as well. So it's a good candidate problem for the phone interview rounds. So given the root of a binary tree, check whether it is a mirror of itself, that is symmetric around its center. So this is the tree given, and we need to check whether it is symmetric around its center. The center of the tree is like, if we draw the vertical line from the root node, then the nodes like this left subtree should be the mirror reflection of the right subtree. So how to solve this kind of problem? So the tree problem, as you are aware of, we can easily write the code in the DFS approach like using the recursion, or the VFS approach with the help of queue. So we will solve this problem first the recursive way. So before that we need to understand it like how it is symmetric. So as you can see, this node 1 is the center line where it's draw, and it is 1, so it is fine. Now this is the left subtree of this tree, left subtree from the node 1, and this is the right subtree. So the left subtree LST, let it write it as LST, and this is RST, right subtree. Now if we do the mirror reflection of right subtree, if this tree, if I do the mirror reflection of this tree, that will give me 2, then 3 over here, and then 4 over here, and it's the mirror reflection of right subtree, which is the left subtree. If it is that, then this is a symmetric tree. So how to check that whether these are mirror or not? So what we will do, we will check whether first the node value should be same, the root node value should be same. Then we will call the method is mirror for the left tree by passing the left of this, and the second for this guy right node of this subtree, and similarly for right for this and left for this, and we will keep comparing values. If equal, we will keep go down until both of them reach to the null basically. So this is the idea. So let's quickly implement the code. So for coding part, what we need to do, we will just call is mirror method, helper method, and pass root 2 times, as we divide this into 2 branches like left subtree and right subtree. Now let's write the method definition of is mirror. So for that we will get, let's say, 2 tree node P root as T and tree node Q. Now we will check if P is null and Q is null. If both of them is null, then this is a symmetric or is the mirror. We will return true over here, and we will check else if P is null, like one of them is null, and or instead of now we will use or, if Q is null, if any one of them is null while the other is not null, then it is not mirror. We will return false over here, and after that we will return basically by checking the condition P dot bel is equal to Q dot bel and is mirror. So this is, there is a typo, is mirror of P dot left Q dot right and is mirror. So is mirror, better to fix the typo now itself. So if is mirror, then we will call this as here P dot right and Q dot left. So that's it. Let's try to compile the code and see if it is compilable and passing the test case. It is. Let's try other test case if there. Yeah, there is. So now it is getting passed. Let's submit this code and see it got accepted. So what is the time complexity of this solution? As you can see, we are going through each node at least once. So the time complexity O of 1, and what is the space complexity? So the inverse case, the recursion call stack can be called for all the n nodes. So the for the skewed tree. So the space complexity O of n. Now if you want to write this code in iterative way, so how to do in iterative way? So in iterative way, as let's just discard this piece of code and rewrite again. So for writing iterative code, we will use the help of queue as we use in the level order traversal. So let it as queue only, new linked list. Now what we will do, so let's just format it, and while the queue is not empty, or you can check with the size method as well. Now what we will do, we will fetch tree node p from the, and we will, before that we need to offer the root to time in the queue. So queue dot offer root, so that this is for like calling the recursive isMirror method. Now we will get the p node from the queue dot this, let's call the node 1 q dot, or better to say it is, let me p itself, and instead of is just q, we let's use the bigger name, more meaningful, q dot q. Now p node q dot poll, first we will get in the p node, similarly we will get in the q as well, another node q. Now we will check if p is null and q is also null. In that case we will just continue it, and another condition which is like we did in the isMirror method as well, if p is null or q is null, any one of them is null, then we just return over here false itself, because it is not possible. Otherwise we will also need to check another condition, which is p dot val. If p dot val not equals to q dot val, we can combine these two conditions, but we can write separately for easier understanding. If it is, we will return false here. Otherwise we will offer now to q dot offer p dot left first, then q dot right, not, so we will offer the another node, so q dot right. Once is done, we will offer q dot offer p dot right, and again we will offer the last q dot offer q dot left. So that's it, and if this q is empty in the end, we will return true, as it is a symmetric. So let's compile the iterative solution. There is a this error, so now it will compile and passing, we can submit this code, and it got accepted. So again the time and space complexity of iterative code is also same, O of n and O of n. So if you like this solution, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I am like continuing on the top interview list problems, so you can keep solving it and watching the video.